Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best beef liver is probably one of the most nutrient-dense foods you can consume, packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and proteins. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of beef liver supplements, exploring their benefits, and helping you find the perfect one to boost your health. Whether you're a seasoned health enthusiast or just starting your wellness journey, this video is for you. Number 5. Nature's Craft Liver Cleanse Detox and Repair. This advanced liver cleanser promotes stronger liver function. It is enriched with natural ingredients for liver care you can trust. This liver health formula is powered by milk thistle and protective antioxidants. It helps maintain normal liver function and supports digestion and immunity. Nourish your body with these herbal liver supplements. They are designed to detox, cleanse, and protect your liver while supporting its daily function. This herbal milk thistle supplement is made in a GMP American lab. It contains non-GMO botanicals, so you can supplement with confidence. We believe in harnessing the gifts of Mother Nature. That's why we offer this premium liver support supplement with consumers like you in mind. What we like. This supplement uses a blend of herbs to support your liver. It's packed with milk thistle and other antioxidants to maintain normal liver function. If you are looking for a comprehensive herbal approach to liver health, you should consider this one. What people say. This supplement contains milk thistle, dandelion root, and artichoke extract, which are all known for their liver-boosting benefits. I've noticed my digestion feels smoother, which I think is a result of the liver being better able to process toxins and fats. I feel like my energy levels have improved slightly since starting this supplement, possibly due to the better overall functioning of my liver. Number 4. Ancestral Supplements Grass-Fed Beef Liver 180 Capsules. This supplement is rooted in traditional practices. It's packed with nutrients to support liver health and overall well-being. It helps with energy and metabolic health. This supplement is freeze-dried to preserve all the good stuff. It's a source of vitamin A, B12, and other essential nutrients. This ensures the body can absorb them easily. It provides nourishment that only whole foods can offer. It supports an active lifestyle, boosts immunity, and helps with mood and joint health. It's a great way to get essential nutrients. The product is made in the USA from cows raised in New Zealand and Australia. These cows are 100% grass-fed and pasture-raised without hormones. It's all about purity and quality. The mission is to make vital nutrition accessible to everyone. It puts back what the modern world has left out. It's designed to support your health and energy levels. What we like. This product uses freeze-dried beef liver to preserve nutrients. It provides whole food nutrition for energy and overall wellness. If you are looking for a supplement rich in bioavailable nutrients from a natural source, you should consider it. What people say. I feel more energetic, less brain fog, and my workouts are more effective, with less muscle fatigue and less joint pain than before. I have noticed from the first couple days that I have more energy, I do not feel as bloated, and after 3 weeks, I have noticed a little bit of weight loss, and I only take 3 capsules a day. Definitely increased energy levels. Number 3. Wholesome Wellness Beef Liver Capsules, 180 CT. This product is sourced from grass-fed beef in New Zealand. It's a clean and natural source, free of hormones, pesticides, and GMOs. This ensures you're getting the best quality supplement. It supports natural energy production. Packed with vitamin B complex and essential minerals, it helps you feel revitalized. This is a great way to support your daily activities. This product promotes healthy heart, brain, and liver function. It also boosts your natural defenses with vitamin A and zinc. It's a comprehensive supplement for overall well-being. The capsules are freeze-dried for optimal potency. They are 100% pure with no fillers or additives. This ensures you get the most out of every serving. Get the complete picture of the nutrients nature intended. Experience the power of whole food supplementation. It provides a natural and effective way to support your health. The capsules are tasteless and odorless. You can enjoy the benefits of beef liver without the unpleasant taste. It's a convenient and easy way to incorporate this into your routine. If you're not satisfied, don't worry. The product offers a satisfaction guarantee, no questions asked. Try it risk-free today. What we like. This supplement is sourced from grass-fed New Zealand beef. It supports natural energy production with essential vitamins and minerals. If you like the idea of a whole food supplement to fill nutrient gaps, you should consider this one. What people say. I actually felt mental clarity the first day. My head went from a foggy space to a clear one. I slept better that night. I woke up with more energy than I've had in years and years. These capsules have been a lifesaver in helping me combat fatigue and feel more energized throughout the day. Number 2. Perfect Supplements Desiccated Beef Liver Capsules. Are you looking for a natural way to boost your energy and overall health? These capsules are made from grass-fed beef liver. It's a pure and potent supplement. This product uses non-defatted beef liver in its purest form. The capsules are easy to swallow and contain liver that has been dried using a low-temperature vacuum process. It's packed with high-quality protein, amino acids, vitamin A, vitamin B, and iron. This supplement provides essential nutrients to support your body's needs. The beef liver comes from cattle raised in the Argentinian pastures. The cattle are completely grass-fed, ensuring a natural and healthy source. This supplement can help boost energy, support your immune system, and improve metabolism. It may also aid digestion and promote healthy cholesterol levels and cardiovascular health. It is gluten-free, non-GMO, hormone-free, and paleo-friendly. There are no dairy products, chemicals, fillers, or glyphosate residues. It is lab-tested for quality and purity. What we like. This product uses non-defatted beef liver in its purest form. It's a natural source of essential vitamins and minerals. If you are looking for a supplement that can help boost energy levels and support your immune system, you should consider it. What people say. I've noticed that my hair is thicker, and my nails are strong. I feel more energized, and I feel I digest food better. She seems to have better stamina too. Number 1. Carlyle Grass-Fed Beef Liver Capsules 4,500 mg. These quick-release capsules provide 4,500 mg per serving of grass-fed beef liver. It's a supplement inspired by our ancestors, designed to support your well-being. Sourced from pasture-raised bovine in New Zealand or Argentina, this product is hormone and pesticide-free. This ensures the highest quality and purity. The beef liver comes from cows raised in a natural environment. This method of sourcing contributes to the supplement's superior quality. We produce carnivore supplements inspired by our ancestors. This product is designed to support a healthy lifestyle. The product is laboratory tested to ensure trusted ingredients and superior quality. It's made with care, from start to finish. It's naturally free of gluten, wheat, yeast, milk, lactose, soy, artificial colors, flavors, and is non-GMO. This makes it a great choice for those with dietary restrictions. What we like. This supplement provides a high dose of grass-fed beef liver per serving. The cattle are raised in a pasture, hormone and pesticide-free. If you like a high-potency supplement from a trusted source, you should consider it. What people say. Beef liver is a great source of nutrients. This product is a good source of iron. Beef liver supplements are a good way to get the benefits of liver without the taste. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.